I've got a brand new product that I cannot wait to show you guys the cool thing I made. This is from Koko&Claire. It's the new Artist Modeling Gel. I would describe this as sort of like a clear Play-Doh. It's not really crazy sticky. You can see it's pretty firm, and its design is to model things out of gel. I made this really unique design, and I'm going to show you how I did it. If you're wondering how these wear in real life, I did this design on a client who took them to Mexico. Here's the design I did right here. So 3 weeks later, after travels, all intact. I was really, really impressed. And I'll show you how I keep these on so well. When working with this modeling gel, it's really important to protect your skin from chemical exposure. I found gloves a bit bulky, so I found these on Amazon and they were much, much easier. I'll make sure to add the link in the description box. Start by scooping out a small amount of gel, just what you think you're going to use. You can see it's pretty firm, but as you start to work with it, it becomes quite pliable. And it's not that sticky, so I didn't find it difficult to work with. I'm going to lay this piece down on my tile, and then I'm going to add some loose glitter. This is from Koko&Claire, glitter number 9. You just need a little bit to start with. Make sure you get some small pieces and some of those larger pieces as well. I'm using a little palette knife to break off a small chunk of that modeling gel, and I'm going to lay it down in my glitter. You want some of those glitter pieces to go inside the gel as well as on the outside. So fold it in a little bit and then roll it into your desired shape. Mine was little globes. Once you've created your shape, you can lay it down on a form and pop it into your curing lamp. I cured these for 1 minute. You want to make various sizes of the little globes to incorporate into your design. Okay, let's make this nail. I'm going in with a neutral base and I'm putting down 1 thin coat of glass builder. I want to put some of the loose glitter onto this nail. What I love about that look is it makes the little globes look like they're melting glitter onto the nail. It's so pretty. Once you have this all on, you want to cure this for 1 minute. Now we're going to encapsulate that glitter with another thin coat of glass builder. You don't need a lot, just brush an even coat over your glitter and then invert that nail. That'll smooth out your glitter really quickly. See? Perfect! Cure for 1 minute. To attach the globes, I'm using gem gel from Koko&Claire. And I'm going to put a decent amount under that globe to set it in place. And I'm going to freeze them with a little portable LED lamp just to keep them in place. I'll give the whole design a full cure once I've got all of my globes in place. So I'm just going to build. Put a globe down, freeze it in place, put another one, freeze it in place. I had planned on stopping at 3 on this one, but something took over and here's where I went for broke. It's time to seal the deal. I'm going to use the Cocoa Radiant top coat. I'm putting a little bit on the tile for use later, and I'm going to start by sealing this entire area that is flush, and then with what's left on my brush, I'm going to just gently go all around my globes, and then I'm going to go back with a small detail brush and what was on that tile before I cure anything and just make sure that I've gotten any little spots. So what this does is it seals the entire nail in one fluid piece. I tested this gel out with a few different glitters and wow, you guys are for sure going to want to try this super unique new product from Koko&Claire. Thanks for watching.